Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country style interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Imagine stepping into a home where every corner feels warm, nostalgic and full of timeless charm. Vintage country style interior decor beautifully combines the simplicity of countryside living with the character of vintage furniture, soft colors, natural textures, and classic patterns. From ordered wooden furniture and floral fabrics to antique accessories and cozy handmade touches, this style creates a peaceful and welcoming atmosphere. It's perfect for anyone who loves a home that feels comfortable, personal, and beautifully connected to the past. Vintage country style interior decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that combines the charm of traditional country homes with its timeless vintage elements. It focuses on creating a home that feels cozy, lived in, welcoming, and full of character rather than perfectly polished. Key features: use natural materials like wood, rattan, wicker, linen, cotton, stone, and aged metal are commonly used. Use vintage furniture like wooden cabinets, antique dressers, farmhouse tables, old chairs, and distressed furniture fit beautifully. Use soft earthy colors like cream, beige, warm white, shades green, muted blue, dusty rose, and brown. Create the classic country atmosphere. Use floral and checked fabrics. Small floral prints, gingham, plaid, stripes, and vintage-inspired patterns add personality. Aged finishes, distressed paint, weathered oud, antique brass, and slightly worn surfaces give the room an authentic vintage character. Cozy accessories, ceramic dishes, oven baskets, old books, framed botanical prints, pottery, clocks, candles, and vintage-style vases work especially well. Nature-inspired decoration, fresh or dried flowers, greenery, herbs, and botanical artwork bring a countryside feeling indoors. The goal is not to make everything look old. Instead, vintage country style combines old-fashioned charm with practical country living. A modern home can still achieve the look by mixing a few vintage features with natural textures and simple contemporary comforts. Think of a peaceful countryside cottage filled with weathered old floral fabrics, handmade pieces, warm neutral tones, and sentimental objects, comfortable, relaxed, and nostalgic. Here are some tips for vintage country style interior decor. First, warm and welcoming atmosphere. Vintage country decor is designed to make a home feel comfortable and lived in, instead of looking overly formal or perfectly massed. The space often has a relaxed and personal character. Natural materials. Wood is one of the most important elements. Reclaimed wood or weathered wood can be used for dining tables, shelves, cabinets, beams, and decorative pieces. Wicker, rattan, cotton, linen, and ceramic also complement the style beautifully. Use vintage furniture. Look for furniture with traditional shapes and visible character, such as wooden dressers, farmhouse tables, spindle-back chairs, antique-style cabinets, and old-fashioned side tables. Slight imperfections can actually add charm. Use floral and traditional patterns. Small floral prints, gingham, checks, stripes, and subtle botanical patterns are classic choices. They can appear on curtains, cushions, tablecloths, upholstery, or bedding. Handmade touches, crochet pieces, embroidered textiles, oven baskets, handmade pottery, and knitted accessories can make the space feel more personal and authentic. Decorative accessories, vintage clocks, ceramic pictures, old books, botanical prints, framed artwork, brass details, wooden trays, and vintage chairs can add layers of character without overcrowding the room. Flowers and greenery, fresh flowers, giant bouquets, potted herbs, and simple greenery bring a natural countryside atmosphere indoors. Small arrangements in ceramic pitchers or vintage style vases work particularly well. Mixing old and new. You do not need an entirely antique home. A modern sofa can be paired with a vintage wooden coffee table, or a contemporary kitchen can include antique style accessories. This balance keeps the room practical while maintaining its vintage character. The beauty of imperfection. One of the most appealing aspects of vintage country style is that everything does not have to look brand new. Without old, faded fabrics, aged finishes, and gently worn furniture can give the room a sense of history and nostalgia. Choose a vintage focal point. Add on a standout piece, such as an antique cabinet, farmhouse table, vintage mirror, or old wooden dresser. Let it become the main character of the room. Layer different textures, combine linen curtains, cotton cushions, oven baskets, wooden furniture, ceramic pieces, and soft rugs. Mixing textures makes the room feel cozy and authentic. Use vintage style curtains. Use floral, gingham, lace, or soft checked curtains. Can instantly create a country atmosphere. Choose simple patterns rather than overly bold designs. Add open shelving. Wooden open shelves are perfectly for displaying ceramic plates, cups, jars, cookbooks, small plants, and vintage accessories. Decorate with old-fashioned kitchenware, enamel containers, ceramic pitchers, wooden utensils, glass jars, and traditional-looking crockery can bring charming country character to the kitchen. Create a cozy reading corner. Place a comfortable armchair beside a small wooden table. Add a soft cushion and decorate the area with a floor lamp and a few books. Display meaningful objects. Use items that have sentimental value, such as inherited looking boxes, old photographs, handmade crafts, or collections of small ceramics. They make the decor feel personal. Don't overmatch everything. Vintage country style looks better when furniture and accessories have slightly different shapes, finishes, and patterns. A collected over time appearance feels more natural. Bring in natural greenery. Place small plants, herbs, dried flowers, or simple branches in ceramic pots, glass bottles, or vintage style pictures. Keep the room practical. Decor should still be comfortable and functional. Choose storage baskets, useful shelves, washable fabrics, and furniture that works well for everyday living. Use aged-looking details carefully. A weathered frame, distressed wooden tools, or antique-style brass handles can add character. A few aged details are usually more effective than making everything look distressed. Add a touch of nostalgia. The finishing touch can be something that reminds you of a traditional countryside home. Floral table linens, and old-style wall clock, handmade crochet pieces, or a simple vase of flowers. Create a cozy entryway. Place a small wooden bench, vintage mirror, open baskets, and a few hooks near the entrance. This creates an inviting country home feeling right away. Use mismatched chairs. Instead of choosing identical chairs, combine different traditional wood chairs around a farmhouse style table. Keep the finishes within a similar color family for a cohesive look. At a vintage gallery wall, combine botanical prints, countryside artwork, small mirror, and simple vintage frames. Arrange them casually rather than making everything perfectly symmetrical. Choose warm lighting, use table lamps, wall sconces, or simple pendant lights with warm toned bulbs. Soft lighting helps emphasize the cozy character of the decor. Style your dining table naturally. A linen chowder, ceramic vase, fresh flowers, oven serving boards, and simple crockery can create an effortless country dining arrangement. Use baskets for storage. Wicker and oven baskets are both decorative and practical. Use them for blankets, magazines, towels, toys, or everyday household items. Add a farmhouse style jug. Choose a subtle floral, checkered stripes, or muted pattern jug. It can visually connect to the furniture while making the room feel warmer. Decorate with pottery. Handmade looking ceramic bowls, pitchers, vases, and jars add an earthy, traditional quality. Display a few pieces rather than filling every surface. Leave some surfaces uncluttered. Vintage decor works best when individual pieces have room to stand out. Avoid filling every shelf or tabletop with accessories. Add wooden architectural details, wooden beams, paneling, ceiling details, or simple wall molding can strengthen the traditional country character of a room. Make it feel collected over time. Mix old-fashioned pieces with simple modern necessities. The result should feel like a home that has gradually developed its personality, rather than a room decorated from a single matching set. Try vintage style sideboard. A wooden sideboard with simple detailing can become both a practical storage solution and a beautiful focal point. Display ceramics, flowers, or framed artwork on top. Use embellished textiles. Embellished cushions, table runners, napkins, and pillowcases can introduce a delicate handmade feeling that suits the country aesthetic. Add a farmhouse style bench. A simple wooden bench works beautifully in dining areas, entryways, bedrooms, or beneath a window. Decorate with wooden trays. Use aged or rustic looking wooden trays to organize candles, small vases, books, or everyday accessories while keeping surfaces steady. Include a vintage style mirror. Choose a wooden, painted, or antique inspired frame. Positioning a mirror upside a window can also help make a room feel brighter. Create a windowsill feeling. If you have a suitable windowsill or bench, add soft cushion, a throw blanket, and a few nearby books for a cozy countryside corner. Use simple wall hooks. Wooden or edged metal hooks can hold baskets, hats, aprons, or textiles while adding functional country character. Display collections in small groups. Group similar objects such as ceramic pictures, vintage chairs, or botanical prints rather than scattering them randomly throughout the room. Add subtle gingham accents. Gingham cushions, curtains, napkins, or kitchen towels can provide a classic country touch without overwhelming the vintage look. Choose classic furniture silhouettes. Furniture with chair legs, spindle back, simple curved details, or traditional proportions can strengthen the vintage character. Use natural window treatments, linen, lace, cotton, or lighted patterned curtains can create a softer and more relaxed appearance than heavy formal window coverings. And seasonal countryside touches. Change small details throughout the year, such as flowers, tables, jade branches, or seasonal artwork. while keeping the main furniture and color palette consistent. Focus on comfort first. A vintage country home should feel inviting rather than like a museum. Comfortable setting, practical storage, soft fabrics, and useful decorations are just as important as appearance. Vintage country style interior decor is all about creating a home filled with warmth, comfort, nostalgia, and timeless character. By combining natural materials, vintage furniture, soft colors, floral patterns, handmade details, and meaningful accessories, you can create a space that feels both charming and lived in. The beauty of this style is that you don't need everything to be perfect or expensive. It is the personal touches and timeless details that make a vintage country home truly special. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.